In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fly with Elytra using fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To begin, make sure your Elytra is equipped in your chest armor slot. This is required for gliding and powered flight. If the Elytra is not equipped, the firework rockets will not help you fly. Next, place your firework rockets in your hotbar so they are easy to access while you are moving. It is best to keep them in a slot you can switch to quickly. Once you are ready, go to a high place so you have enough space to start gliding. A cliff, tower, mountain, or any elevated area will work. Step off the edge and begin falling. While you are in the air, press the space key to activate the Elytra and enter glide mode. You should see your character level out instead of continuing to fall straight down. This means the Elytra is working correctly. After you start gliding, switch to the firework rocket in your hand. This part is important because the rocket needs to be selected before you can use it for a boost. While you are still gliding, right-click to use the firework rocket. As soon as you do this, the rocket will give you a burst of speed and push you forward through the air. This allows you to travel much farther than normal gliding. Continue using firework rockets as needed while you are in the air. Each rocket gives you another boost, which helps you maintain speed and stay airborne longer. If you are losing height, a well-timed rocket can help you keep moving and extend your flight path. Try to use each rocket while you are already gliding, since using them at the right moment gives you smoother movement and better control. As you fly, keep your direction steady and watch your altitude. If you angle too low, you may descend too quickly. If you manage your boosts carefully, you can cover long distances without landing right away. With enough height and enough firework rockets, you can travel across large areas very efficiently. The basic process is simple. Equip the Elytra, place firework rockets in your hotbar, jump from a high place, press space to glide, hold the firework rocket, and right-click during flight for a boost. Then keep using rockets to continue flying farther and longer. That covers everything you need to know.